Creating a successful wholesaling business without a strong online presence is like sailing a ship without a compass. You risk losing your way in an expansive ocean filled with competitors who have already set their sails. Building a website isn't just an option, it's a necessity. We are GrowthSense.com. We built a platform that allows investors to buy, sell, and invest in real estate properties of all kinds, in all shapes, and in all conditions. In this guide, we'll walk through the 10 essential steps to create a user-friendly and efficient website tailored for your wholesaling needs. Let's dig in. Number 1. Choose a reliable platform. Start by selecting a solid foundation for your wholesaling website. WordPress paired with WooCommerce gives you the flexibility and control you need to manage your content and e-commerce functionality effortlessly. Make sure you choose a hosting provider that prioritizes speed and security. This choice will keep your site running smoothly, which is crucial for your business. Number 2. Install essential plugins. Once your platform is up and running, you'll want to enhance its capabilities. Plugins like WooCommerce Wholesale Pro help you manage wholesale pricing and user roles, while SEO plugins like Yoast will ensure your content reaches its audience. Security plugins, such as WordFence, will protect your site from online threats, giving you peace of mind as you operate. Number 3. Design a user-friendly interface. A clean, intuitive design keeps visitors engaged and encourages them to make purchases. Stick to a simple color scheme that matches your brand identity and ensure navigation is straightforward. Testing your design across different devices is key to creating a consistent user experience. Number 4. Create a private wholesale area. This space is crucial for separating retail and wholesale customers while allowing for tailored pricing. By using a dedicated plugin, you can manage access seamlessly and create an exclusive environment that attracts serious retailers. Number 5. Implement lead capture forms. These forms are essential for growing your email list and nurturing relationships with potential clients. Position them strategically throughout your site with compelling calls to action that entice visitors to share their information. Number 6. Optimize for mobile compatibility. With an increasing number of users browsing on mobile, ensuring your website is mobile-friendly is non-negotiable. A responsive design adapts to various screen sizes, improving user experience and boosting your search rankings. Number 7. Provide detailed information. Transparency builds trust in the wholesaling business. Offer comprehensive product descriptions, specifications, and high-quality images to help potential clients make informed decisions. Adding an FAQ section can also address common concerns up front. Number 8. Integrate SEO best practices. From the beginning, focusing on SEO will help improve your website's visibility in search engines. Conduct keyword research relevant to wholesaling and incorporate those terms naturally into your content. Number 9. Utilize high-quality images and videos. Visual content is powerful in attracting customers and enhancing their shopping experience. Invest in quality images and consider adding videos that showcase your products or demonstrate their use. Number 10. Set up analytics tools. Monitoring traffic patterns and user behavior through tools like Google Analytics is crucial for continual optimization of your website. Regularly review this data to understand what works and where improvements are needed. As you embark on building a robust wholesaling website, remember that each step is integral to creating a successful online experience for your customers. But be prepared, because as much as these steps are vital, the landscape of online wholesaling is constantly evolving with new challenges at every turn. To stay ahead of the competition and ensure you're equipped with the latest insights, visit GrowthSense.com. Here, you can access invaluable resources tailored specifically for buying and selling distressed properties, ensuring you're always one step ahead in this fast-paced market.